Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I received another BoxyCharm box today, and I actually don't know what this is. I was expecting a box, but I received a second box from BoxyCharm, and I haven't kept up to date with what they're sending out because I always want to be surprised when I open stuff. So let's open this up together and see what is inside. Oh, what does that say? Hello, Charmers. Right? And oh, what is this? Oh my god. It is just always a disaster area with me. Okay, what do we got? Alright, so we got something. And I saw one of the names on the back here. I'm trying to see. Okay, there we go. Here's my clue. I'm trying not to read what's on the back. I saw one of the items and I'm like, oh my god. Okay. This is the Spring Luxe box 2023. Okay, so I mean, if you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, you already know that you get 5 full-size items, and every box is worth hundreds of dollars. And they're also just reminding everybody that Ipsy and BoxyCharm have merged under the Ipsy brand. So if you're currently subscribed with BoxyCharm, now you have more options. You're still going to use your same login info and payment info with BoxyCharm, but now you're also going to have the added perks of Ipsy. So that's very cool. Now instead of having 2 choices, you have 3, it sounds like. So every month now you get 2 superstar products or brands handpicked by you in your 5 product BoxyCharm, and they're calling them Power Picks. All right, so let's see what they sent me in this Spring Luxe box. And I know one of the items because I saw it on the back and I see it in the box. Whoa. Yes, we've got an eyeshadow palette from Pat McGrath. Eyeshadow from Pat McGrath. Which one is this? This is Pat McGrath Labs. This is Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette in Bronze Bliss. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you know, I really love the old school Pat McGrath when she was still independent before she, you know, got signed up with, you know, Sephora, but still, this is cool. Got a little eyeshadow palette. There's probably a mirror there. Yeah. So I don't want to blind you guys. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yes. Neutral. The Pat McGrath way. Oh, how pretty. Super excited about that. So cute little mini palette. And whoa, Pat McGrath makeup is not cheap. So how much is this? This is $36. Okay, very cool. All right, I'm actually just gonna leave the box there since I'm having issues. I keep dropping stuff. So we'll just keep that there for now. All right, Iconic London. I've actually not used anything from Iconic London. This is the multi-use lip and cheek palette. That sounds cool. Let's see what it looks like. Whoops. Even with my little tool here so that I could open this without ripping it, it's still ripped. It happens. I like to keep my boxes nice. Okay. Wow, well that feels nice. It's plastic, not cardboard. Iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. If I can get it open, there we go. Let's get that slip cover off, or not. Okay, they got the mirror covered so I don't blind you. Ooh, okay, it was taped on. I'm like, I won't come off. Okay, are these all, oh, they're all cream formulations. Okay, very warm toned. Now let me flip it this way so I don't, there we go. So maybe you get a better look. Interesting. There's definitely some shades in there I would use. Actually, I would probably use all those shades. Okay, and these are cream blushes, but you can also use them for your lips. Very cool. Any of you makeup artists out there, something like that's always very cool. Oh, let's see how much that is. Iconic London, that is $55. Not off to a bad start here. Ooh, is this Kate Somerville? This is Kate Somerville. This is Hydra Kate. Ooh, Kate Somerville makes some lovely skincare. If you've never used the Iconic Exfoliate, it's a really effective chemical / physical exfoliant. Hydrate. This is a recharging serum. Ooh, love the packaging. So exfoliate, or excuse me, Kate Somerville. Hydrate. Actually do love that name, love the play on words. So let's see, Kate Somerville Hydrate. This is $78. Whoa, that is no joke, $78. So I'm guessing we've already gotten, and of course I saw this, I couldn't resist. Drunk Elephant, woo, $36, I love Drunk Elephant. If you've never used the Sakari Baby Facial from Drunk Elephant, sorry, all the names are running together now. From Drunk Elephant, the Sakari Baby Facial, if you've never used that, check that out. Pricey, but it's one of the few skincare products I've ever used where instantly, like within the first use, I saw a vast difference in the texture and appearance of my skin. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, this is something I've never tried from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. Ooh. It has 10% AHA and BHA blend, as well as plant oils, and it has a pH balance of 3.7. Ooh, this is your secret for a healthy scalp and fuller looking hair. Ooh, I'm actually thinking about growing my hair out, guys. I know it's been a million years. Well, I love the packaging. Okay, I don't want to get scrubs all over the place right now, but ooh, thinking about growing my hair back out, so something like this will help stimulate my scalp, and yeah. All right, cool. Oh, well, Drunk Elephant, also not a cheap brand. This is $36. Okay, wow, I see something in there I'm really excited to pull out. Wow, this is an awesome box. Okay, we got Fenty Skin. This is, what is this? Hydra Reset. This is an intensive recovery hand mask. Oh, cool, the hand mask. I actually forgot that was a thing that they released this year. Smells pretty. Ooh. And they just recommend using that once a day before bed. Well, this is going to be living in my nightstand beside my bed. I can't wait to try this. So this is the Fenty Skin. This is the Hydra Reset. This is the hand mask. This is $22. And I see one of my favorite brands in. I'm actually an ambassador for this brand, so I'm excited to receive something in my BoxyCharm from, this is Lys. Love Your Skin Beauty, Lys Beauty. This is the Complexion Brush Duo. This is a foundation brush and a sculpt/bronzing brush. Perfect, because I have quite a bit Lys makeup, but I don't have any of the brushes yet. So I'm trying not to rip my box as always, trying to keep it nice and pretty, but that just might not be an option with the shape of this. Let me grab a different tool to try to open this. All right, I think this will do it. There we go, haha. There we go. I love how everything by Lys has this triangle shape. It's instantly recognizable, it's great branding, and it's simple yet effective. Gotta love how anytime you get something from Lys, it's gonna have that triangle shape somewhere. Ooh, great packaging. So we got two brushes. We got the foundation brush and what it says is the bronzing brush. So which one's this? This one is the Sculpt and Bronzing brush. And even on the ferrule, it has a triangle shape. But then, ooh, it's got like that powder soft texture to it, to the handle. And ooh, super soft. Ooh, this feels really nice. And I love the shape of it. That's great for bronzing. So that way you don't have hard lines and it'll really blend it out. That's really pretty. And when it's fluffy like that, it'll help to diffuse the color so it's not as streaky or as harsh. Okay, and so this is the foundation brush. Let's pull that this way. This is the foundation brush. They're really similar, but as you can see, the foundation brush is more tightly packed to really absorb color. And then that way You can deposit the color and blend it out. Ooh, very cool. Super excited. Yay, I finally have some LYS brushes. Was not expecting to see them in this box. Very cool. Oh, so that complexion brush duo from Lys Beauty is $30. So that's a great deal. Okay, we got 2 more items and now I'm just going off of this. So we'll go off of this one first. Ooh, perfect. You know, I'm gonna get good use out of this. This is the KVD Beauty. This is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. This is the Tattoo Pencil Liner. This is in the shade, their iconic shade, Trooper Black. So I actually I've used the pens, but I do have another pencil now that I'm thinking about it. Anyways, this is the Tattoo Liner Pencil. This is a gel eyeliner pencil. Whoops. Oh, and you twist up. Okay, I actually didn't know that. I actually didn't know it's a twist up. Because at first it was so far down, I'm like, oh, I need to sharpen it. No, this is actually a twist up. This is in the shade Trooper Black. Very nice. So I love to wear eyeliner in many forms. Gel, pencil, pen, marker. You get the idea. Cream. So this will work out nicely. I'll use it mostly on my waterline, but every once in a while I'll also just draw my exaggerated wings as I do. Very cool. All right, and that is $22. All right, we have our last item. I don't have anything from this brand. This is my introduction to Woma Beauty. Ooh, love the packaging. So it says salute to the sun. This is Woma Beauty. This is Drama Bomb. Drama Bomb. This is an extreme volume nourishing mascara. This is in the shade Kem, K-E-M, K-E-M, Kem. Let's take a look. Ooh, salute to the sun. Love the packaging. Let's take a look at the brush. Ooh, ooh, look at that. One of those funky shaped brushes, but in a good way. This looks really cool. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Okay, very cool. And it says that this is $19.50. So wow, we got quite good value on the BoxyCharm Spring Luxe box. Okay, and they really they gave you all you need for a full face almost. But they even covered hair, skin, hands. This is great. Okay, we got mascara, we've got eyeliner, we got makeup brushes, we got the hand mask, we've got the scalp scrub. We've got, was this a serum? This is a serum. I was going to say moisturizer. This is a serum. And then, of course, we've got lips and cheeks with the iconic London multi-use lip and cheek palette. And then we've even got eyeshadow from Pat McGrath. So wow, this is a great deal. Love it. They did so good with this box. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well BoxyCharm and Ipsy merge. It's very cool. So if you're already subscribed to BoxyCharm, now you're just going to have more options. It'll still be the same login as it's always been for you, and they'll just start slowly migrating all that over, and you'll have more variety, more selection with all the added Ipsy options. So pretty cool. All right, this was gifted to me, so thank you very much, BoxyCharm. Awesome box to open, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.